Lumina of Adam Cartwright. And outside Adam Cartwright in the 68 car, that's the pretty boy, Steven Erickson. And back there all by himself, first night in the 19 Sportsman, he goes by Abe Lincoln, but his name is Kurt Neiswanger. Lights on the car, corner pace truck are out. Austin Fowler's going to bring them around. We're going to pick it up. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And it's shot to try to pull away from Fowler from the get-go. They are side by side. Fowler's right back at it. As we'll see what happens here coming into 3 and 4. Austin Fowler and Shot side by side coming out of 4. Looked real good there coming out of 4. Almost like a slingshot effect. And it's going to be Shot to try to pull away from Fowler. Here comes Josh Lundy in the 11 car. Oh, Shot and Fowler almost make contact there. So far, so good for Bill Shot. Austin Fowler trying to figure out what he's going to do here, but here comes Josh Lundy to grab that outside lane. Outside lane might be the fast lane right now. Steven Erickson Jr., rookie in the division, looking to get away from Austin Fowler. He's going to try. He did. Now he's going to challenge for second. Austin Fowler in the 29 car must have something going on with it because he's dropped to the back pretty quick. But it's Bill Shot to bring it around here, followed by Josh Lundy. Steven Erickson trying to challenge Lundy for third. Here comes Kevin Memely. And it's Erickson on the inside of Lundy. That's the battle right there between second and third and fourth. Kevin Memely trying to get into the mix. Bill Shot doing what he can to hold him off. All the way from La Crosse, Wisconsin. That's like a... Gosh, I think that's about a 4-hour drive from here. But it's Steven Erickson Jr. now to really challenge Josh Lundy for second. Looked like he had something there and maybe got out of it a little bit, coming out of 2 as Lundy pulled away a little bit. White flag for Bill Shot. Let's see if Bill Shot can get him here. I don't know. It is going to be Bill Shot. Who's going to get second? Josh Lundy for second, Steven Erickson for third, Kevin Memely fourth, Adam Cartwright for fifth, Austin Fowler for sixth, and Abraham Lincoln takes sixth place in that 19 car. Nice run there for Bill Shot. All the way from La Crosse, Wisconsin, driving about an 85 or 86 Monte Carlo. Can't make out what the sponsors are from here. I should have got it down in the pits, but he had shown up just a little late, and I wasn't able to talk with him there, but glad he could make it here. So Rockford Speedway, I want you to make some noise for this driver. Like I said, all the way from La Crosse, Wisconsin. Let him hear you. He's out there in the middle of the track, unstrapping from that helmet, getting his first heat win here at the Rockford Speedway. As he's going to get out of the car. Let's make some noise, Rockford Speedway. He's unstrapping. It's Bill Shot. All right. Going to continue with our Bargain Hunter Sportsman division here, as this is going to be heat number 2.